Check out this 2011 Toyota Sienna. If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. The powertrain includes front-wheel drive with a solid 6-cylinder engine driven by a 6-speed automatic transmission. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. Carfax is offered to provide you with peace of mind. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: keyless entry, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, an alarm system, power steering. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags, passenger airbag, side airbag, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.